Hello everyone, today we will learn to find out area of a square. All of you know what is a square. A square is a rectilinear figure having all the four sides of equal length. Then that figure is known as a square. So how to find out area? Area of a square is equal to side into side. That is side square of the side, that is area of a square. And you know what is area is the amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure. Clear? So if side of a square is given, then we have to find out the area of a square is equal to side into side or square of side. If area of a square is given, then how to find out side? So side of the square is equal to square root of area. Correct? Let us see some examples. Find the area of a square of side 12 centimeter. If side of a square is 12 centimeter, then find out the area of a square. Now side of the square is given 12 centimeter, and we know that side of all the sides of a square are of equal length. So area of the square is equal to side multiplied by side. So side is given 12 centimeter. 12 centimeter multiplied by 12 centimeter. So 12 into 12 centimeter square or square centimeter. Now multiplying 12 into 12 is equal to 144 square centimeter. So area of a square is equal to 144 square centimeter. So it is clear that if side of a square is given, then area is square of that side. So if you learn the square of any number, then you will easily find the area of the squares. If side of a square is given 4, then area is 16. 4 into 4, that is square of 4 is equal to 16. If side of a square is given 9, suppose it is 9 centimeter, so area will be 9 into 9. So square of 9 is equal to 81. 9 into 9, 81. If side of a square is given 15 centimeter, then area is 15 multiplied by 15, that is square of 15 is 225. And if side of a square is given 21, then area of a square is 441 cm square. In this way, if you know the square of the number, then you can easily find out area of a square. Similarly, if area of a square is given 16, suppose area of a square is given 16 centimeter square, then what is the side of a square? 4, because square root of 16 is equal to 4. So area of a square is square of the side, and length of side of a square is equal to square root of area. In this way, you can find out area of a square and side of a square. If you have any queries, you can comment in comment box. Enjoy learning.